You take your medicine on time, you avoid sweets, you even reduce rice, but your sugar is still high. So you think my diabetes is getting worse, but the real problem is not what you eat, it's what you do after eating. And almost 90% of the diabetic patient make this mistake every single day. After meals, most people sit, some scroll their phones, some lie down. It feels harmless, but inside your body, a sugar storm begins. The moment you eat, glucose quickly enters the blood. Now your body needs muscles to absorb the glucose. Muscles are the biggest sugar-using organs in the body. But when you sit, muscles become inactive, so glucose stays in the blood. Your medicine tries to work, but your habit works against it. This creates a post-meal sugar spike, and repeated spikes slowly damages your eyes, kidneys, nerves, and your heart. This is why many patients say, "Doctor, I don't eat sweets, but my sugar is high." Because diabetes control does not end with food, it begins after food. The solution is simple. Walk for 10 minutes after every meal. Not jogging, not exercise, but gentle walking inside your home. When muscles move, they pull glucose from the blood and sugar falls naturally. Many patients see 30 to 50 mg per deciliter lower readings within days, better than increased medicine. So remember, the biggest diabetes mistake is not eating sugar, it's sitting after eating. Eat, walk, rest.